to place the bets. And they're off. Early lead is taken by Satoto Olang, and by the rail is okay, approved. Berswa, the favorite, running in third, and on the outside, Queen of Class, and bringing up the rear is Go Binny. And at the mid-back stretch, it's okay, approved by the rail. Satoto Olang on the outside, running in third by 4.5 lengths, Berswa. And Queen of Class is running in fourth, Go Binny in fifth. Rounding the far turn. At the far turn, Satoto Olang by a length and a half, followed by Okay Approved on the outside in second. And closing in third, the outstanding favorite, Berswa. And running in fourth remains Queen of Class. Rounding the far turn, there is still Satoto Olang. It's Satoto Olang, followed by Okay Approved by the red Berswa. Now moving up on the farther outside. And into the home stretch, it is now Berswa on the outside, followed by Okay Approved in between horses by the red Satoto Olang. And Queen of Class is still running in fourth. And into the home stretch and nearing the pair plan, Berswa on the outside, Satoto Olang by the rail. Okay Approved in between horses and Queen of Class. And nearing the pair plan, Berswa on the outside, Satoto Olang by the rail. And finally at the pair line, it's Satoto Olang, Berswa. Okay Approved, Queen of Class, Go Binny.